What's up guys, I just bought a $25 cheap router because the signal in the 5 GHz bands in one of my rooms was lacking. We will test this Tenda AC8 router and see how it fares. We're also gonna compare it to my old router, a very reliable TP-Link. This old router has only the AC900 speed for the 5 GHz band. First, let's unbox it. The box contains the manual, a network cable, the power adapter and, of course, the router itself. It has 3 Gigabit ports and it runs the AC1200 standard for the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. It has a simple black design with 4 antennas of 6 decibels each. The interface is the usual stuff, nothing special, but it does have a lot of features, which is a plus. As you can see, it has a router mode, a WISP mode, universal repeater or an access point mode. You can configure 2 separate wireless networks and it also has beamforming. Beamforming is a technique that focuses a wireless signal towards a specific receiving device rather than having the signal spread in all directions from a broadcast antenna. We also have bandwidth control to set the speed limits of each device connected, parental controls to set up the access during specific time periods, and the sleeping mode to set the device working hours. There is too a page with advanced controls and IPv6. The administration tab lets you set up the WAN and the LAN parameters and change the password or configure the remote web-based access. We are testing now the speed using a cable in one of the ports and we can see it fares pretty well, with almost max the speed of the available broadband. Bear in mind that I have a 500 megabit broadband connection at home. The signal to it from 2 rooms away and the few walls between it is also pretty solid, as you can see. It maintains a solid connection between it and the mobile phone I'm testing with. Testing the wireless connection, we have a maximum of 62 megabit on the 2.4 GHz band and over 400 megabit on the 5 GHz band. This is of course a little faster than the old router. So, as a conclusion, do I recommend this router? Yes, because it's pretty solid and has a good performance. Can't give it 5 stars for reliability yet because that remains to be seen in the long run. Thank you guys for watching and as always a like, share and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. Also, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time and stay safe.